This is Carole at Rocking Horse Farm. This afternoon I'm going to be showing the Italy scarf kit that we're going to be selling at our September seminar. So I have a needle set up. I'm making a shorter version here for the demo. I have a needle set up and the proper needle selected and the right tension, and I'm going to knit one row, and I'm going to hang a weight and my comb. And I'm going to be using a novelty yarn every 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I'm going to go out to this row right here, and I'm going to be putting in our novelty yarn like so, and do 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I take this yarn out and I put it in this hook to hold it out of the way until I'm ready for it again. And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove it, put it in here. Now you can see that it's a lot looser here, so I'm going to be holding this up, holding it up like so, making sure it's not pinched in there. Holding it up so it doesn't get caught around the brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it out. I will just keep repeating this. When we're all finished, we do a special, on the pattern it will have a special way to join the seam, and it'll look like this when I block it. And then I'm going to do an edging that will be in our knitting machine inspiration coming up that you'll be able to get and use on this and on many other things of your liking. Thank you.